Hello everyone, my name is Alisia and welcome back to a new video on this channel. In this video I will try to show you a part of my preparation for the next competition, which is Beast of the Barz. There is less than 2 weeks until this competition. I'm already starting to be a little bit nervous because I don't feel that prepared yet. I hope this can help some of you, maybe if you want to start competing. I will try to show also how my mentality is in these preparations. My plan is to do one day combo of dynamics and one day combo of statics. In one day I'm doing what I'm gonna do in the first round, and one day I will do what I will do in the second round. This is how I usually prepare because my theory is if you got the combos in the worst days, you will get it in the competitions too. Let's see how this will work. Let's go! Day 1. Well, only in this video because in reality I started this kind of routine 1 or 2 weeks before. So to understand, every day when I say I do the first round combo or the round 1 combo, this is what I mean. I'm trying it until I succeed it 2 times, but you will see that there are days when I don't succeed it at all. After I did it 2 times, in this particular day I started to try a possible combo for the final round in the finals. Because I didn't have something prepared, and I will also show you the fails because in a freestyle day there are a lot of fails. After all these dynamics I did like 3 tries of Hefesto, only 3 because Hefesto is very painful and it's pretty dangerous, especially before the competition. It's a high risk of injury. Also know that for this first round combo I have statics and strength dynamics too, but it's too hard to train them outside when it's that cold, so I'm doing them inside. Day 2. Every time I say I'm doing the round 2 combo, this is what I mean. I don't really like my static combos. I find them pretty boring, to be honest, so I will show you only now the full combo. The round 2 combo I'm usually trying it like 3 or 4 times, and after I try to work on my form and holds and then some basics. As you can see, the form work, it went pretty bad here, to be honest. Yes. Now let's do a little bit of rope. Day 3. I arrived pretty late home, as you can see, it was already starting to get dark. I tried the round 1 combo twice, but failed at the last 360. Each time. So I decided to try a possible last round combo. I don't see anything. But everything was very hard because I didn't really see the bar. So I had to jump inside because outside is too dark. Already it's only 5, I think. The impressions for today is I didn't succeed the combo, not even once. I missed the last 360. At the beginning I didn't record it, but I failed the alley-oop a lot. And then the shrimp flip, which is strange because I usually don't miss the shrimp flip. Oh my god, I think it's only 1 week left. Or maybe less. Oh my god. Whatever, I will try to be better next time. The secret is to not give up. Always. And we will see how this will end. Day 4. Round 2 combo. Then trying some form work. And then some front lever basic exercises. Day 5. Round 1 combo 2 times, didn't succeed it. Then working for the round 3 combo. By the way, the dynamics are the most stressful in my opinion, because that is where it's most likely to fail in a competition, and that is where you fail the most when you are preparing. So yeah, I think that was it for today. It's Saturday and tomorrow I will do only statics, or I'm not sure if I should take a complete break, but yeah, I have 2 days left to do the dynamics. Oh my god, I'm really starting to be nervous because yeah, I didn't succeed the combo today again. Failed the last 360, so annoying. We will see what will happen. I don't know what happened there, but the boss will be mad when she will find out. Okay. But the real question is, how do I train freestyle on this? Because if I stay too much, it will get dark. Day 6. Pretty good day, I can say. Round 1 combo, I succeeded twice. Damn, a rest day sometimes can do a lot. Training while it's snowing or raining, I feel that gives me some extra adrenaline. Still though it's harder, of course. Yeah, I don't know how this works, but you can try. Ah! I think it's time to go inside now. But I have to do something. What? Yeah! If anyone is wondering, every time I'm doing freestyle I have to put my mat on their face. I can say that it was a nice training. I succeed all my combos twice, which is perfect. Yeah, now I feel that I'm ready and prepared to compete, but I have one more training, not tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, which will be my last training before the competition. That was all. Now I will go inside. Day 7. Round 2 combo, and after trying to work on the form. Which, again, looks like shit. And then finishing with some rope, because I think that it helps with the resistance for freestyle. Or maybe I just like doing unders and double unders. Day 8. This was the last day of training before the competition. I did the round 1 combo and also the round 2 combo. For the round 1 combo I succeeded first try once. But then I failed a lot. Fortunately at the end I succeeded again, so in total 2 times. I only imagined the Hefesto because it was too cold. Oh, looks like it's ending pretty decent. I just decided to change a little bit the combo from the final, because in the final we will have one more 45 seconds round. And yeah, I decided to do that. I want to try just one more thing, and then I can go inside to do some statics. Yes, so I took the jacket on because it's cold and I have to take my mats and put it here. But I want to share with you my thoughts about this last training and about the competition, which is in only 2 days. I'm stressed a bit. That's probably because I'm not 100% satisfied with this training, because yeah, I failed a lot. But at least I got it 2 times, which is, let's say, decent, but not perfect, okay? And I changed a little bit my combo for the final. But yeah, in the end, if Mali or Adrian or Leia or any other girl train more and harder than me, they will probably win. I'm trying to go with this mentality at every competition, because yeah, it's somehow true. If someone trains more and harder, will win. I'm excited and nervous, and I can't wait to spend time with the calisthenics community, because it's the best. I'm definitely not that prepared as I was for the World Championship, but still. Yeah, by the way, I have a video 2 weeks before the World Championship, but I never post it because I never edited. That videos, and too much time passed. I don't know if you would like to see 2 weeks before the World Championship or competition that I won. You can write in the comments. And I don't know, I think I will finish this video here. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Until next time, don't forget that everything is possible. Just work for it. Yeah. Papa.